Hi, welcome to another tutorial here at Hofa College. In this video we take a look at 3 different microphones that couldn't be more different. Alright, I've put 3 microphones here that we'll take a close look at in a moment. First we have a Brauner VM1, a large diaphragm condenser microphone with tube technology, a DIY microphone that we made from a loudspeaker, and the SM57, which can probably be found in pretty much every microphone collection. Let's listen to the microphones and take a look at the analyzer. As the only condenser microphone in this comparison, the VM1 is the microphone with the most balanced frequency response. It is also characterized by its tube circuit, which adds so-called harmonic distortion or harmonics to the signal. These provide a certain coloration, often associated with the term warmth, and a character that can make the microphone signal a little more readable in the mix. This microphone is therefore particularly popular for recording vocals, but other acoustic instruments with a distinctive high end, such as an acoustic guitar, can also benefit from the use of such a microphone. You want to learn how to professionally record, produce and mix your music? The Hofa College online courses in audio engineering and music production will give you the complete knowledge and practical experience for excellent sound. Find more info on hofa-college.com. Like many other loudspeakers, this one is based on the principle of the dynamic moving coil, which is also used in many microphones. The peculiarity of this technology is that it can be easily reversed. All you have to do is solder the speaker's connections to an XLR cable and connect it to a microphone amplifier, and our speaker functions as a microphone. As you can see and hear, our DIY mic is quite out of line. It is clearly muffled and does not pick up the high frequency very accurately. As the sub-bass range can be reproduced better thanks to the large diaphragm, you can still use this microphone as a secret weapon, as I'll show you in a moment. To do this, we'll start by recording a bass drum with the classic Audix D6 and then add our DIY mic. The SM57 is an integral part of the world of sound engineering. This microphone is an absolute classic, especially for recording snare drums and electric guitars. Like most dynamic microphones, it has a drop-off in the upper high frequencies and is characterized by its high mids, which can bring the signal to the front. This microphone has established itself in studio productions over the last few decades and has therefore helped to shape our listening habits. Another big advantage is that some of us have certainly recorded with an SM57 before or know the sound, and that's the most important thing when recording. You should know your microphones and their characteristics, which can also make life easier later when mixing. Since it's also relatively inexpensive, it's the ideal microphone to have as a backup. The sound examples we just heard all have their very own musical character to which these microphones were individually suited. If I had swapped the microphones here, the actual sound vision would certainly not have been captured as intended. So if you were hoping to find the one perfect mic or universal trick in this video, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Instead, you should ask yourself, what do I want to record and what role does the signal play later in the mix? The beauty of audio engineering is that not every microphone sounds the same, and every microphone out there has at least one specific purpose for which it is perfectly suited. Have fun with your next recording and see you next time.